Wait a minute.
Ow.
Come on, keep going.
What do you
We
think?
have to document. I've never in my life seen anybody get fucking tangled in a seatbelt. And we need to take extreme measures to document this so we can show.
Wait a minute, I think I got it. Go.
Ow, ow. Ow.
Wait. Are you guys okay?
No, I'm not okay. This
Wait,
hurts.
why don't you undo it?
It's undone.
It's undone.
Duh.
Wait, maybe you need to turn with it.
Oh my God.
This is a serious situation. Alex,
Oh, she's really stuck.
I'm really stuck.
Wait.
Hello.
Turn
That's
around, turn around.
breathe. This is
Wait,
not.
hold on, I almost got you. Just go. What are you doing?
There you go.
Come on, put your legs through.